Let's learn the big cat names with the help of flashcards. Bobcat, B for Bobcat. Black Panther, B for Black Panther. Puma, P for Puma. Panther, P for Panther. White Tiger, W for White Tiger. Lynx, L for Lynx. Lion, L for Lion. Jaguar, J for Jaguar. Snow Leopard, S for Snow Leopard. Cheetah, C for Cheetah. Leopard, L for Leopard. Tiger, T for Tiger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.